Today, we are in the beautiful city of North Bend, just 30 minutes east of downtown Seattle, about 20 minutes east of Bellevue, and it's a wonderful place to live. It offers beautiful nature as the backdrop, excellent schools, and a strong sense of community. And I am proud to present my brand new listing. This home right behind me was built by Murray Franklyn, which is the premier local builder here in the Pacific Northwest. It has been meticulously maintained over the years, and it's located in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in all of North Bend, which is the Ridge at Tannerwood. And I love this backyard just as much as I love the house itself. It's fully fenced back into a greenbelt for privacy, has low maintenance artificial turf, and most importantly, you get a front row seat to the beautiful mountainside behind me. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and I'll catch you in the next video.